That's at 315 yards with factory ammunition, 117 grain Hornadays, with just a slight breeze going this way. So that's 2.5 inches, 315 yards. Keep sub MOA. That's with just using the Leopold clicks to get it on at an estimated 300. So the BC of those Hornady bullets are right on. That is very satisfying. So I think I'm set out to 400 yards for sheep with that 24B. Welcome to the Yukon in North 61. I don't know what it is about Hornady ammo, but 450 Bushmaster, Hornady Factory Ammo. 307 Winchester with 160 grain, what are those called? FTX bullets. And lately my 25-06 with 117 grain interlocks. I can't reload better than this ammo. This is all well under MOA. They're really making good stuff.